Hey everyone, welcome back. I realized that I should make this video to show you these specific ways I process, uh, preserve, okay, these vintage Zippo lighters in its original cardboard boxes from the older days. I had done a video in the past, linked below, about preserving Zippo lighters in its newer boxes by putting the lighter within a clear plastic sleeve like this. However, dealing with an older period lighter in such cardboard boxes, this may not be a suitable way to do that because the sharper and rougher edges around such a plastic, it may I find that it may cause more damage to the already fragile and sensitive box itself. So by using this, that is not the effect that we would want to have. Instead of using a plastic sleeve like that, which could hurt the paper cardboard box, I figured an alternative, which is the use of this an acid-free paper, also can be called an acid-free tissue paper. This is the material you may find stuffed within new merchandises such as shoes, wallets, or even bags. This paper here, the material being bleached of its acidic content, it thus provides a neutral base for the preservation of artifacts, and it is something used in museums to protect things such as old stamps, painting, artworks, documents, etc. etc. With a piece of acid-free paper, I would first sandwich this um, caution leaflet in between, folding it up. This right here goes onto the base of the box. Let me do it again. It's looking there it goes. And then I will just put the lighter back where it should be. So the purpose having an acid-free paper at the bottom is to allow a neutral and protective base for the back of my lighter to rest on. And next, dealing with this guarantee leaflet here, I would use another piece, just sandwich between it and place it in that same exact position when it came. Now just close the lid. For further protective measures, which I feel optional, you can cut a larger piece of acid-free paper and just wrap it around the entire box. And next, I would prefer not to tape the seams because I am not sure if the adhesive may eventually seep through the paper and mess things up. And next, I will find a brand new Ziploc bag here. Uh, just putting it in. Okay, straightening the Ziploc bag, closing it tight, folding it neatly, and there you have it. This lighter is now ready for storage. Alright, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Hope there is something to learn from it. Do drop your comments and sharings in the comment section below. I hope to hear from you. As of now, guys, I hope you all stay safe and have a great one.